Good evening and welcome to Tech Tonight, your weekly deep dive into the innovations shaping our world. I'm your hostname, and tonight we're unpacking some truly transformative developments. Our lead story takes us straight into the heart of generative AI, specifically the breathtaking advancements in text-to-video models. What was once the realm of science fiction is now a tangible reality, with sophisticated algorithms capable of transforming simple text prompts into incredibly realistic, high-fidelity video sequences. These models are not just stitching together existing footage. They are synthesizing entirely new visual content, complete with dynamic camera movements, consistent character appearances, and nuanced emotional expressions. The implications for content creation, from advertising to filmmaking, are nothing short of revolutionary, promising to democratize high-end production and unlock unprecedented creative possibilities for individuals and small studios alike. The speed at which these capabilities are evolving is truly astounding, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible just months ago. However, with such immense power comes an equally immense responsibility. The ethical considerations surrounding these text-to-video capabilities are rapidly becoming a central debate within the tech community and beyond. We're grappling with the potential for widespread misinformation through hyperrealistic deepfakes, the complex issues of intellectual property rights when models are trained on vast datasets of existing creative works, and the very real concern about job displacement across various creative industries. Establishing robust frameworks for provenance, watermarking, and responsible deployment is no longer a theoretical exercise, but an urgent imperative. The industry is at a critical juncture, balancing innovation with the need for ethical guardrails to ensure these powerful tools are used for societal benefit, not detriment. The challenge for regulators and policymakers is to keep pace with this rapid technological acceleration, ensuring that governance frameworks are both effective and adaptable. This conversation will undoubtedly define the next decade of digital ethics. Now, let's shift our focus to the foundational infrastructure powering this AI revolution. The insatiable demand for computational horsepower, particularly for training and running complex AI models, has ignited an unprecedented arms race in silicon development. Major tech giants, recognizing the limitations and costs associated with off-the-shelf general-purpose processors, are heavily investing in designing their own custom AI chips or application-specific integrated circuits. These bespoke accelerators are meticulously engineered to optimize for AI workloads, offering vastly superior performance and energy efficiency compared to traditional CPUs or even general-purpose GPUs for specific tasks. This strategic pivot aims to reduce reliance on external suppliers, gain a competitive edge in AI capabilities, and ultimately control the entire stack from hardware to software. This drive for specialized silicon is directly fueling a parallel boom in global data center expansion. Hyperscale data centers, sprawling complexes of servers and networking equipment, are the physical manifestation of the cloud, and they are growing at an astonishing rate. Billions are being poured into constructing new facilities and upgrading existing ones, often in remote locations with access to abundant, affordable power and cooling. The energy demands of these AI-centric data centers are staggering, prompting significant investment in renewable energy sources and advanced cooling technologies to mitigate environmental impact. Furthermore, the geopolitical implications of this infrastructure build-out are profound, as nations vie for technological sovereignty and control over the digital arteries of the future. The sheer scale of this global infrastructure investment underscores the long-term commitment to AI as a transformative force across every sector. Moving from the creation of content to its distribution, our next segment explores the dynamic evolution of the media landscape. The traditional boundaries between linear broadcast television and on-demand streaming are increasingly blurring, giving rise to sophisticated hybrid models. We're witnessing a significant surge in free ad-supported streaming television or FAST channels, which offer curated, linear-like experiences within streaming platforms, often leveraging vast content libraries to create niche programming. This model provides an attractive alternative for viewers seeking a lean-back experience without subscription fees, while opening new revenue streams for content owners and distributors. Simultaneously, major broadcasters are strategically integrating their linear channels into their streaming apps, offering both live feeds and extensive catch-up libraries, effectively creating a unified digital storefront for their content. Underpinning this entire transformation is the critical role of high-capacity fiber optic networks. As consumers demand higher resolution content, immersive experiences, and seamless access across multiple devices, the need for robust, low-latency distribution infrastructure has never been greater. Fiber optic cables, with their unparalleled bandwidth and reliability, are the backbone of modern broadcast distribution, enabling the efficient delivery of 4K, 8K, and even future holographic content from production studios to data centers, and ultimately to homes around the globe. This isn't just about consumer delivery. It's also about inter-studio connectivity, remote production workflows, and ensuring the integrity of live event broadcasts. The continuous investment in expanding and upgrading these fiber networks is a silent but absolutely essential enabler of the rich, diverse, and increasingly personalized media experiences we now expect. Without this robust digital highway, the innovations in content creation and consumption would simply grind to a halt. What an incredible journey through the tech landscape tonight. From the ethical frontiers of generative AI and the astonishing capabilities of text-to-video models, to the foundational silicon infrastructure and the global data center expansion powering it all, and finally, to the evolving media landscape shaped by hybrid streaming and high-capacity fiber networks, it's clear we are living through an era of profound technological change. These seemingly disparate trends are, in fact, deeply interconnected, each fueling and shaping the others in a complex dance of innovation. The future promises even more integration, more automation, and certainly more fascinating challenges. We'll be here every week on Tech Tonight to break it all down for you. Don't miss a single episode of our in-depth analysis. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, enable notifications, and join our community as we continue to explore the cutting edge of technology. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.